Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add background music on video on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off you need to get some video editing app. I recommend you to use CapCut, so you can open up App Store and then just search for CapCut and then just download and install that app. I have already this app installed at my device, so I can just skip this step. Once you have installed CapCut, just open it, then hit at this plus sign to start new project, and that opens up your camera roll content. Then you can just select any video which you want to add music to in that way, and then just hit on add to add this video to your new project. Then, in order to add background music to that video, all you have to do is just tap where it says audio, then sounds, and now you are able to select any song from that music gallery. You can just open up some of that categories like let's say R&B. You can scroll down, you can listen this music, you can hit add plus sign to add it to the video, and also you can search for some specific music. You can hit at that search bar, and then let's say I want to add Lady Gaga's song to my video. It shows me different results. I can scroll down and select the song that I like, and then in order to add this song to the video, just hit add that video and then hit right here at the plus sign. As you can see, I have just added this audio track just underneath the video track, but unfortunately audio track is much longer than video track, so you have to trim it. First off, you can trim it from the start. You can select it and then just drag this edge of audio row to some particular part of this song. Then you can hold down at that audio row and move it to the start of your video in that way. Then you can scroll, just drag it to the end of this video or to the end of this audio row, then touch and hold this edge and move it just like that to the left to simply trim it to the length of your video track, just like that. By default, CapCut app inserts this CapCut kind of outro, and I recommend you just to delete it, so you can hit right here and then hit add delete. After that, you can tap at audio track and hit add volume to increase or reduce this audio song volume level. Once you finished with that, you can just hit at this arrow icon to save this video to your camera roll. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my CapCut and iPhone tutorials playlists, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.